So this is a room tour of room 1901, which is a corner studio at Circa Resort in downtown Las Vegas. And this is a different room type to what I've stayed in before. I love the decor in these rooms, I have to say, I really do. So you've got his and hers sinks. Love the wallpaper in here. So cool. Your toilet's around there. And the shower in Circa is some of the best pressure known to man. According to Suzanne anyway. Or known to woman. Nice light. And everything here is on this remote. So you've got a high or a buy, you've got the entry mirror you can turn on and off, privacy, night light and service. Vegas Vicky there. Seat there. So yeah, this is bigger than the regular room. You have like a 3-piece suite there. Same artwork as the regular rooms. And just regular hanging space, steamer and safe. You've got a cool alarm clock there. The beds are super comfy. Quite a big TV. And then a workstation with water in there as well. So the difference between this and the main sort of regular rooms, we've still got the strip view this side with the stadium swim down there. Actually, that's very quiet today. That is really quiet. Look at that. I mean, there's hardly anyone there. It's 4:05 as well. That's interesting. I mean, I would have said Vegas has been as busy as I've known it since we've been here, but now looking at that on a Wednesday afternoon, I know Wednesdays aren't that busy, but wow, there's hardly anyone there at all. That's interesting. Okay. It's going to be interesting to see how busy downtown is as a whole then. And then in addition, you obviously have the, as it's a corner, you've got a view of Garage Mahal and the mountains. And you've got Main Street down there, and obviously the side of the plaza. So yeah, very nice airy rooms, these really are very good. Very pleased with it. So we're here for 3 nights. Comped by Chris Waterman. We've got a group pool here on Friday. And I'm very much looking forward to staying at Circa once again. I'll speak to you in the regular vlog.